Fáilte go míle Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1 Topic 8 Cúrsaí Oibre. Level A1 Topic 8 Work Matters. Level A1 Topic 8 Rannóg Gairmré ag buíochas Scríbhneoireacht. Level A1 Topic 8 Section 10 Career, focusing on writing. Agus le múna, Cúrsaí sa dhéanamh foist Theastas Eorpach agus Chanílacha Oibre, describing jobs, work status and work conditions. Ag an bhfuilliúg Gairmré Resumé uait den gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need the handout Career Resume for this activity. Link to the handouts and notes are in the description box below. Gairmré. The word gairm is a career and ré is a period of time. So Gairmré refers to what we would call in the United States as a resume. In Europe, it's often called a curriculum vitae or a CV. So Gairmré, description of your career. Tá tú ag cúrsaí fós mar aistriúir leis an Theastas Eorpach. So you're applying for a job as a translator for the European Union. Líon isteach an Gairmré seo a leanas. Fill in the following resume. Ná déan darmad an bost atá a gceist. Don't forget the job that is in question. An bhfuil éagsúlacht ann idir na freagraí fad. Is there a difference between all of the answers? An bhfuil aon taithí agat chúrsaí aistriúcháin. Do you have any experience with translation? Smaoinigh scileanna aistriúcháin, mar shampla, an fearr teanga aistriú focail ocho, nó an fearr brí na teanga aistriú. So think a bit about translation skills. Is it better to translate a language word for word or better to translate the meaning? An bhfuil aon fhrása I le theanga féin nach féidir aistriú go díreach go béarla, nó an bhfuil aon rása ann a deirtear I slí iomlán éagsúil ón slí ina neirtear é sa bhéarla. So are there any phrases in your own language that you cannot translate directly into English, or are there any phrases that they use in your language that are completely different from the way they are said in English? Mar shampla, tháinig sé a níor a dúí orm is a phrase in Irish, and it means it came out of the blue. It surprised me. But if I were to translate that, it means it came from the northwest on me. Gairmré agalaibh. So agalaibh is an interview. Díochait, conna sa tátu. Cad is anandit, carbastit. Cá bhfuil tú I do chónaí? Cad é do cheola baile? Cad é do háta brethe? Cad é d'oibhir telephone? So these are all questions you might be asked in an interview, and they're all questions that we have covered together up to now in the various units. Díochait, hello, conna sa tátu, how are you? Cad is anandit, what's your name? Carbastit, where are you from? Cá bhfuil tú I do chónaí, where do you live? Cad é do cheola baile, what's your home address? Cad é do háta brethe, what's your date of birth? Cad é d'oibhir telephone, what is your telephone number? So smaoinigh na ceistena sin, think about these questions agus déanré iad ragart. So get ready to answer them. So we'll go through the questions. I'll have you respond to my questions, and then after we've gone through them that way, I will have you read through them yourself. Dírit, conas atá tú? Cad is anam dit? Carbas dit? Cá bhfuil tú i do chónaí? Cad é do cheola baile? Cad é do ghát brethe? Cad é d'oibre telephone? Agus inis lé na ceistena amach ó sord. And now read the questions out loud. Tá tú a chuirsteach ar phost mar aistearthóir leis an Aontas Eorpach. You're applying for the job as a translator in the European Union. Cá bhfuil tú ag obair? Where are you working? Cá bhfuil tú ag obair faoi láthair? Where are you working at the moment? Cén post atá agat faoi láthair? What job do you have at the moment? Inis dom faoi. Tell me about them, or about it. Buan, Shaladach, lawn, no part-time sure. Is it permanent, temporary, full or part-time? Cad iad durante Oibre? What are your work hours? Cén skillna atá agat? What skills do you have? Cé bheith teanga atá agat? How many languages do you have? Cén teangacha atá agat? What languages do you have? Cén cumas atá agat sa teanga sin? What's your ability? How well can you speak that language? An bhfuil Rúsís agat? Do you have Russian or do you speak Russian? Céir de dhéanann tú nuair a bhíonn amsair agat? What do you do when you have free time? An bhfuil ceol agat? Do you play music? An seanan tú uirlis? Do you play an instrument? An imríonn tú sport? Do you play sport? An bhfuil sim agat I bell no rugby? Do you have an interest in football or rugby? An bhfuil tú I d'fháil d'aon club? Are you a member of any club? An léann tú go minic? Do you read? Beag an bhilleog Gairmré ceistena agaibh uait an gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need the handout, career, interview questions for this activity. Ceistena agaibh, interview questions. Is ceistena iad seo go léir a d'fhéad fí chur ort in agaibh? These are all questions you could be asked in an interview. Tháinig siad go léir chun cinn sna topicí éagsúla roimhe seo. They all appeared in the various topics before now. Cuir an fiseán ar sos agus smaoinigh orthú. Pause the video and think about them. Scríobh amach de ragrí, an sin, tar arás, beag agaibh a gcuin ina gcuirfidh mé na ceistena ort. Write out your answers, then come back. We'll have an interview where I will ask you the questions. Agus inis an tagaibh. Dírit. Conas atá tú? Cad is anam dit? Carbas dit? Cá bhfuil tú I do chónaí? Cad é do cheola baile? Cad é do ghát brethe? Cad é dibhir telephone. Cá bhfuil tú ag obair? Cén post atá agat faoi láthair? Inis dom faoi. A bhfuil sé buan nó sealadach, páirt aimsithe nó lán aimsithe? Cad iad dúireanta Oibre? Cén scileanna atá agat? Cé bheith teanga atá agat? Cén teanga atá agat? Cén commas atá agat sa teanga sin? An bhfuil rúisís agat? Céir a dhéanann tú nuair a bhíonn am saor agat? An bhfuil ceol agat? An seanan tú uirlis? An imríonn tú spórt? An bhfuil sim agat I bell nó rugby? An bhfuil tú I do bháil de éon club? An léann tú go minic? An bhaithir fad. Sin deireadh le Rannóg Gairmré. That's the end of section 10, career, Cúrsaí is a dhéanamh ar phoist, ar Theastas Eorpach agus ar chníolacha Oibre, describing jobs, work status and work conditions. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga Oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle, suíomh lús cartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website simplyjacintha.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas do Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanamh as. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.